welcome back to Cooking with Mimi, and today we are going to make ackee and saltfish. Like, this is one of my favorite Jamaican dishes, and I can't wait to show you guys my twist on ackee and saltfish. So let me start by showing you guys the ingredients. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we have the star of the dish, the ackee, and this is 1 can of ackee. You drain the brine and you rinse it a little bit. Here I have saltfish, about ½ pound of saltfish. You know, you want to debone it and make sure that you take out as much salt as possible. I have half an onion sliced, half a green pepper sliced, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, Haitian épices, and black pepper. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'm going to use a saucepan. I'm going to put my heat on medium-low. Okay, so now I'm going to add the coconut oil and let that melt. So once your coconut oil is melted, we're going to add the green peppers and the onions. We're going to stir that up a bit. And you want to cook this until the onions become translucent. Now, as it's cooking, I'm going to add the black pepper. So you're gonna add a few crafts of black pepper. You can use as much black pepper as you want. Okay, that's good for me. Stir it up some more. Now that the onions are partially translucent, I'm gonna add my saltfish. And you want that to cook down a bit. You definitely want your green peppers to be soft. Next, I'm going to add my teaspoon of épices. And you want to make sure that you are occasionally stirring this. You don't want to break up the fish too much. In the middle. Now we are gently going to add the ackee. You want to be very careful with this because ackee is very delicate. You don't want to break it up too much. You want to cook it just enough that it cooks thoroughly. And we're going to make sure that this cooks for 3 to 4 minutes. Because ackee does not need to be overcooked or overdone, but then it's just gonna look like scrambled eggs. You want to gently stir the onions and the salted fish into the ackee. Very gentle. You don't want to mess with it too much. Let this cook down for about 3 minutes. Okay, so now the ackee is done cooking. I'm going to plate it and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is the final product. I paired it with some fried plantains and some homemade festival. This smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. This right here, ackee and saltfish, is like one of the best dishes you can ever eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please let me know down in the comments what to make next. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that post notification.